A man has been jailed for murdering his girlfriend while he was on bail with conditions not to contact her. Ryan Evans, 31, and from Oates Walk in Crawley, West Sussex, killed Holly Sanchez in a bungalow in the town in May 2023. He was found guilty at Hove Crown Court in July, and on Friday was given a minimum term of 21 years and will remain on license for the rest of his life. Detectives said Ms. Sanchez's family had to endure harrowing details of the injuries Evans inflicted on her during their relationship. They told how Evans took financial advantage of Ms. Sanchez and made repeated threats of violence towards her. His coercive and abusive behavior escalated, resulting in her suffering multiple injuries at the hands of Evans, who was described by Ms. Sanchez's family as a cruel and evil monster. Her relatives said they hoped the case would raise awareness of how domestic violence can quickly have fatal consequences, and that it would lead to more victims to speak out. Evans was also found guilty of one count of unlawful wounding, assault occasioning actual bodily harm, plus controlling and coercive behavior. During the trial, prosecutor Ryan Richter said, "In the short time they were together, he regularly subjected her to domestic violence, beating her and hurting her." During sentencing, the court heard from Ms. Sanchez's mother, Kelly, who said, "The thought of what Holly went through at the hands of Ryan haunts me every day. I cannot understand how someone could hurt my baby girl so badly." The initial sentence had been 23 years, but was reduced due to time spent on remand. Judge Christine Henson, KC, told Evans, "It's clear over the short relationship that she had with you that you controlled her emotionally, financially, and you physically abused her. You had told a friend that you lost it with her due to the misguided belief that she was in a relationship with another man. On one occasion, Ms. Sanchez's brother, Matthew Phillips, managed to convince her to report her abuse to the police, but she later withdrew her complaint after pressure from her boyfriend. Evans was interviewed and bailed by Sussex police due to previous incidents with conditions not to contact Ms. Sanchez. Defense barrister Martin Rutherford, KC, said his client was first convicted of a crime aged 11 as a result of an awful personal upbringing and that Evans had not planned to kill Sanchez. In a statement issued through Sussex police, Ms. Sanchez's family said following sentencing, "Holly was a daughter, granddaughter, aunt, sister, and most importantly, a mother. We miss Holly and her infectious laugh every day. She was taken from us and her children by a cruel and evil monster." And the sentencing reflects Evans' brutal treatment of Holly over the last 6 weeks of her life. We hope that Holly's case raises awareness of how quickly domestic violence can have fatal consequences. We hope that Holly's story will reach victims of domestic violence that are too scared to speak out and ask for help. We also hope that it raises awareness to the families of those who are currently suffering abuse, and we would encourage families to pay close attention to any small changes of behavior by their loved ones.